Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how easily you can pair your Sony earphones to your iPhone. First of all, remember to power off your earphones. To do this, you have to click and hold this button until this indicator stops blinking, and you will also hear the notification sound inside your earphones. Next, you have to click and hold this power button one more time until it starts blinking quickly. Keep holding, and as you can see right now it's blinking quickly, so we can successfully remove this button. Next, you have to put your earphones close to your iPhone, go to the settings, open Bluetooth, and right now click on the switcher. Here we have our earphones, so click on them once. Now just be patient and wait a little bit. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. Here you are also able to rename your earphones or change the device type if you want. That's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.